Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're heading to Publix, and these deals run from August the 28th all the way till September the 3rd, and in some places, September the 4th. As always, these deals are all digital, so you're just using your phone to score on these deals. Now, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. You can either print it off or you can just pull it up on your phone to take in the store with you. If you have TikTok and you're finding this from TikTok, just look for the link in my bio for that printable breakdown. Makes it easy for you guys. Now, if you are new to my channel, please make sure you like, share, subscribe, and let your friends know because in this economy, we need to be saving as much money as possible. The first deal we have are on my favorite potatoes. These are these small honey gold potatoes. They are $4.99, but they're buy one get one free, so they'll be $2.50. This is a perfect addition for your supper tonight. And you know, my kids go through Heinz tomato ketchup like it is water. So this ketchup is $5.99. It's buy one, get one free. So it will be $3. We generally don't get coupons or Ibotta rebates on this. So anytime it is buy one, get one free, I always make sure I tell you guys because I'm always in need of it in my house. Such a great deal on the Kellogg's Frosted Flakes. Cereal is always something that I hate spending a ton of money on because my kids eat so much of it. But this Kellogg's Frosted Flakes is usually $5.89. It's on BOGO for $2.95. There's a great $2 coupon on the Publix app with buying just one box of Frosted Flakes. So at the register, you're going to spend 95 cents, which is really good. You're saving $5. But in addition to that, if you head on over to Ibotta, there is an Ibotta rebate for 75 cents back. So with that BOGO, that $2 coupon, and that Ibotta rebate, you're only going to spend 20 cents on the Kellogg's Frosted Flakes. So paying 20 cents for a box of cereal as opposed to paying $5.89 really makes me happy. All right, so for this deal on the Jimmy Dean sandwiches, you're going to be getting either the frittata or the egg wedge for this one. It has to be the frittata or the egg wedge. All right, so this is part of the a threshold coupon. With a threshold coupon, as long as you get to that threshold amount before the sale, then it would work. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to pick up two boxes. They are $3.98. Picking up two boxes, your total is about $7.96. Remember, we're trying to get that threshold of $15, and you are going to be doing that before the sale. So don't worry, just get two boxes. Then you're going to apply that $3 coupon on the Publix app. So that $3 coupon is going to come off just fine. Your total at the register is going to be $4.96. Then you're going to head on over to Ibotta and you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back on each box you bought. So $1.50 back on each box is $3 back from Ibotta, which is going to make the total for both boxes $1.96 or about 98 cents per box of the Jimmy Dean breakfast. 98 cents for a 4-pack of Jimmy Dean breakfast sandwiches is a whole lot cheaper than heading to McDonald's every morning. We need to be saving money, guys, and this is one way we're doing that by not going and getting things on the go in the mornings, getting something quick from your freezer, and using coupons and Ibotta is going to save you a lot of time and a lot of money in the long run. We usually don't see deals on charcoal, and especially in the fall like this. It's pretty odd to see a deal on this, but the Kingsford charcoal is usually $11.99. It is buy one get one free. This is the 8-pound bag, so it's a pretty decent sized bag. You're be getting one bag for $6. There is a $1 coupon on the Publix app. That $1 coupon is going to make that 8-pound bag just $5. And if this is something you probably want to keep for next year, if you're grilling out and that sort of thing, you could do that. So just a good deal on some charcoal. Now, this is a really good deal on the little cups of oatmeal. And if this is something you don't eat or don't want, that's fine. Just pick it up anyways and donate it to your local food bank. There's a lot of places that have the little boxes, especially outside of churches, that you can just drive up and put the food in. That's what I normally do. We have one near our house. I'll just drive up and stick this in there because this is something we don't eat. But this is a good deal and we shouldn't pass it up. We're getting food that's either free or almost free, pennies on the dollar. So what we're going to do is get this Quaker instant oatmeal. It's the cups of oatmeal. So what you're going to do, they are buy one get one free for these. So they're $2.19 with the buy one get one free. They're about $1.10 each. Picking up two of those, your total is about $2.20. There is a $2 coupon on the Publix app. So that's a really good coupon to use on this. So with that coupon at the register, you're only paying 20 cents for this oatmeal or about 10 cents per cup of oatmeal. So 10 cents per cup of oatmeal is a really great deal, a really great item that you can donate if this is something you don't want to eat. So please, please, please pick this item up. I have plenty more deals to share with you guys, but if you could, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and make sure you click that notification bell to all so you know when all of my videos are coming out. Also, it helps me a ton when you guys engage in my videos. Tell me your favorite deals of the day, ask me questions, and please, as always, make sure you like my video. Now, the next deal is on the Pete and Jerry's eggs. These are some of the best eggs. I love some really good eggs. Now, usually these eggs are $7.09, and you know good and well we don't want to spend that much money for eggs. But they're on sale for $4.99. So we're saving $2.10. In addition to that, there is a $2 coupon on the Publix app. So with that $2 coupon, it's going to bring our total down to $2.99, which is an incredible deal because that's $5 in savings. Oh, sorry, $4 in savings with these eggs. And I just love these eggs. And Eggland's Best is what I usually get, and that's about the same price. So you're getting the sale and the coupon with some really good eggs and about the same price as the Eggland's Best. Now, if you did this deal last week and clipped this coupon, it's not going to be there for you. But I ended up not doing this deal, but I still have the coupon. So let me tell you the deal on this. So on the Pillsbury biscuits, I would never spend $3.87 on some Pillsbury biscuits. That is crazy. But with all these deals on here, I am going to be picking them up. So they're going to be with the buy one get one free. They'll be about $1.94 per can. That is still too much. So what you're going to do is pick up 3 cans. Your total is going to be $5.82. We have a $1 coupon on the Publix app. So that $1 coupon is going to come off and your total is going to be $4.82. But we have even better deal on this. So then you're going to submit your receipt to IBOTTA for 50 cents back on each one. Because we bought 3 cans, that's going to be $1.50 back. That's going to make it $3.32 for all 3 cans, or about $1.10 per can, which is a lot better price. Also, don't forget to submit your receipt to Fetch. There is a Fetch offer. It's like for 60 cents um when you do it, but I haven't confirmed this one yet, so just make sure you check that one out. 'Tis the season, everyone. Football season is upon us, and that fall weather hopefully is coming soon. Even though it was 97 degrees here today in South Carolina, I can't wait for that fall weather. So I always like to get my different fall flavored creamers. The International Delight Creamer is $4.50. It is buy one, get one free. So it'll be $2.25. But we have a 75 cents back on the Ibotta app we're going to add in as well. And this is going to be on pumpkin spice, the peppermint mocha. I do not like peppermint. Frosted sugar cookie. I do like that one. And the hot chocolate marshmallow. So just make sure you check with your store and see what they have. So you can do this deal up to 5 times. So if this is something you want to stock up on, So remember, it's BOGO. Your total is 225. We have that 75 cent IBOTTA rebate. With that 75 cent IBOTTA rebate, it's going to make the creamer $1.50. And remember, this can be done up to 5 times if you wanted to. If you still have the Conagra coupon, this is a great deal for you to scoop up. Now, I no longer have this coupon, but this is a really good deal because, we've got baking season upon us as the holidays are quickly approaching. I know you don't want to hear that, but they are. And so this Pam cooking spray is $3.92. It's buy one, get one free. So each bottle is $1.96. Now, the way this Conagra coupon works is it's you spend $20, you'll get $5 off, and that's before the sale. So all you have to do is buy six. It will cost $11.76. That $5 coupon is going to attach for those six. And so buying six of those, $5 coupon attaching, your total is going to be $6.76 for all six, or about $1.13 each on those. So that really helps to stock up on those items. Now you could also do it on the Orville. So we have football season here, and we do tailgate quite often. So the Sabra hummus is $5.49. You can find this hummus over near the deli section. You're gonna pick up one of them. The BOGO on those is gonna make it $2.75. There is a $2 coupon on the Publix app. That $2 coupon is going to bring the Sabra hummus down to 75 cents. That is such a great deal. So 75 cents on the Sabra hummus. This is the Cascadia Farms granola. Um, Great item for parfaits, whatever you need it to be. So it's $6.39. It's going to be $3.20 after the BOGO. What you're going to do, oh wait, $3.20. 39 cents. Yeah, $6.39 after the BOGO. It's going to be $3.20. There's a dollar coupon when you buy two. So what you're going to do is buy two using that $1 coupon at the register for both of them. It's going to be $5.40. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go to IBOTTA and you're going to submit your receipt for $1 back on each one. So you'll get $2 back because you're buying two. So your total for both of them with the BOGO, the coupon, the IBOTTA is going to be $3.40, or about $1.70 per bag of granola. So the Schick men's razors, I use these all the time because I'm one of those people that like uses a razor once and throws it away. So I love disposables. So they're usually $8.49. There is a 25% off going on right now. So it's going to make the razors $6.37. You'll be saving $2.12 with that automatic 25% off at the register. Then on top of that, you're going to use this high valued $4 coupon. Clip that on the Publix app. That $4 coupon is going to make the total go down to $2.37. So $2.37, and you're saving $6.12. Great deal on the Schick razors. All right, guys, thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. I really appreciate it. Make sure you drop in the comments and let me know that you made it to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one when I head to Target. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.